Hi all. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bulk post using Canva. So what is required? First you need to have Canva account that has to be created. Once I have created, then you can come to this particular page. So then you have to go here, click on the create and type post, or you can create any type of posting like Instagram, Instagram post. So here you have the Instagram post and Square also you have. So you can choose any one of them. And here you will be having the Square. I'm just clicking on the Square. So in the Square, you can figure it out how you want to create this post. So like design wise, so you can choose existing design from the template design. So like you have here some sort of designs are available, or else you can do it your own design. You can just choose this and go to the colors and take any gradient colors or any type of colors you wanted to have for your post and just clicking on this. So here what you have to mention, you have to mention three things. One is the title and part one, part two. So in order to choose a topic, you just go to here and add headings. So it should keep it on the top. So look at this. And second, you have to add subtitle and another one subtitle. So here, so this is, we call it as a topic. This is, we call it as a part one and part two. Part two. Okay. So here the sizes you can able to reduce if you want it. So I'm just reducing to 60. Sometimes maybe the topic will be lengthy. So here it look likes and here and here. So three things. You can change the color also if you want to change it to white. This can be any other colors. So just see that which is matching. Blue, it's not matching. So should go with the lighter color. So let me go with this color and this contrast colors. Let me try. So red colors, it's look hard, but anyhow, you'll have that other things. So this is the colors. So still you want to change it also, you can change it. So what we are trying to do here, we are trying to create bulk post using the bulk data upload options. Okay. So we are creating the templates. Once we have created, we have to just go to the prompt and go to the chat GPT. Here, just go to the chat GPT. And you have to write the prompt to get the topic, page, part one and part two. Okay. So I have written already. So I'm just going to use copy this and paste it here. So what I have told, create me 100 set of marketing facts in the same style as a below example. You format them in the table where one column is a topic and one column is a part one and another column is a part two, and do not repeat any fact. So this is what I have given here. So I'm just going to execute this, see that how much I'm going to get it off. So my prompt is here. So I'm getting this. See, look at this here, topic part 1 and part 2. So it is giving me the social media, email marketing, SEO, Instagram, content marketing, because the prompt is mentions of marketing fact. Okay. So it has given 100. So it's still creating it. Like this, you will be getting it. Okay. So once you got this, what you have to do is you have to copy. You have to copy this. So just go here and from there, from to till end, because it is 100. Copied. Once you have copied here, then you have to go back to the Canva where you have designed the templates and just go here and find the apps. In the apps, you will be having options called bulk create. Just go to the bulk create and it will ask two options, enter manually, upload the data. So just enter the data manually. So here, just go here and control P. So you will get the topic part 1, part 2 has been created 100. In your sheet, you will be having 100. See, look at this, you will be having 100. The total sheets been given here. So what you have to do, once you have copy pasted it, then you have to make it as done. So you have left side, you can look at this topic and part 1, part 2 has come here. Now just go here and right click, connect data, click on it here and choose that first one, topic, and second one is part 1, connect data, part 1, and third is connect data and part 2. Now it is been set. Now if you want to add any kind of designs or any elements, there you can able to add it. Like for example here, like and subscribe. Okay, so this is there. I'm just going to use it for the example so I can able to show you. So this is actually in the different colors. So we find something else, some other colors possible. So this will actually see that some other colors being changed. So red is suits. You can use the red only. So you want to have any pictures like this also, you can able to use it. It depends on your compatibility. And so here would be the options, because in top you will get the topics. Now what you have to do is just go back and see that. Oh, yes. So it has come. Now let us test it. Continue and select one and test it. How it is looks. Create one design and check it how it is shows. So view design. So this is what it look like, seems to be. So this below, we need to increase it. This we have to little bit. So let's go back and adjust it. And this, you can increase like this, and this also possible, so that the content will go left and right comfortably instead of coming to the next page. So here also you can do that. And here also you can do that. Okay. So now let us go and check the same thing. I'm just going to create another one and test it. So view the design. Yeah, it's perfect. Seems to be fine. So what I want to do is I want to create 100 in one shot. That's what we are going to do it. Like, so select all, then generate. So it is getting generated 97 post. So view designs, click here. You can see here. You can see it here. So that's all. So you can have multiple pages. So in one shot, you have created so much of it. You can edit it however you want it later on. So this much has been created. So this is what how to create the bulk post using the Canva. So just we have to use three tools. One is we have to use it for the uh, topic creations and designing it and uploading the data and arranging the proper topic and part one, part two. So I hope this is the proper way of creating it, the post is. So where 10 minutes you can create this, you can make use of it. Thank you.